Hey there, rhyme-tastic friends. I'm Rhyme Detective Riley, and boy oh boy do I have a treat for you today. Check out this glowing, mysterious box. It's our mystery rhyme box, and it's chock full of rhyming surprises. Are you ready to play? Let's solve some rhymes and see what's inside. Oopsie daisy, I'm so excited. Our first rhyme buddy is hiding in the box. It rhymes with cat and goes on your head. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a hat. Wowza, you're good at this. Look at that. It's glowing and shaking. I think it likes your answer. Next up, we have something that rhymes with star. It has wheels and goes vroom. What could it be? You got it. It's a car. Vroom! The mystery rhyme box is getting brighter. I think we're onto something big. Okay, rhyme detectives, listen up. Our next word rhymes with tree, and it's something sweet that buzzes. Any guesses? Bzzz, actly right. It's a bee, wowza! The mystery rhyme box is starting to float. Can you believe your eyes? Last one, are you ready? It rhymes with cake and likes to slither. What is it? Super job! It's a snake! You did it! You solved all the rhymes. Let's see what happens to our mystery rhyme box now. Look at that! The box is opening, it's bursting with rhyme-tastic magic. Confetti and sparkles everywhere. The rhyme words are dancing around us. Way to go, rhyme detectives! You're all rhyme masters now. Let's celebrate with a rhyme parade. Hat and cat, car and star, bee and tree, snake and cake, let's all dance. Thanks for rhyming with me today. Remember, rhymes are everywhere if you just listen closely. Keep those rhyming skills sharp, and I'll see you next time for more Mystery Rhyme Box adventures.